Hey listen, there's moments in history when everything shifts. Electricity, the internet, smartphones, and right now we're living through one of those moments again. But this time, it's called artificial intelligence. And I'm not talking about some sci-fi fantasy or distant future. I'm talking about what's already happening and what's coming next year. In this video, I'll show you the 8 AI trends that are already changing the way we build business, make money, and work every single day. If you understand these trends early and take action, you'll be ahead of 99% of the world. Let's dive in. Distribution over product. Let me hit you with a hard truth. The best product doesn't win anymore. We used to believe that if you build something amazing, the people will come. But today, with AI tools, anyone can build. Product is cheap, distribution is everything. Think about it. I can ask ChatGPT to build me a SaaS product, design a landing page with AI, hook it up with Stripe, and launch it within 24 hours. But here's the catch. If nobody sees it, it doesn't matter. Meanwhile, someone with a huge audience can sell a terrible product and still make money. So here's what this means for you. Build your audience first, learn how to tell stories, market, write, capture attention. Because in 2025 and beyond, attention is more valuable than code or anything. Focus is the new superpower. AI has made information infinite. We have access to more ideas, tools, tutorials, and content than ever before. So what's the bottleneck now? Focus. If you can sit down, ignore distractions, and go deep on something for 3 hours a day, you'll crush 99% of people that are going from tab to tab, app to app, never going deep. In an age where tools are equal, clarity and discipline are your competitive edge. Focus is no longer optional, it's a weapon. Commoditization of products. AI is making it stupid easy to replicate products. You built a chatbot, cool. 5 other people did too, and theirs is free. So what makes someone choose you? It's no longer about features, it's about identity. People want to buy from brands that stand for something. They want to feel like they're part of a tribe. They want you, not just your code. That means build in public. Share your journey, inject personality into your product. Because in a world where products are cheap, your brand is the only moat left. AI-powered solopreneurs. We're in the golden era of solo founders. One person plus AI equals the power of a 10-person startup. Don't believe me? Here's what one person can do today. Use ChatGPT to write blogs, emails, and scripts. Use Midjourney to create stunning graphics. Use 11 Labs to clone voices for content. Use Descript to edit full-length videos. Use Zapier to automate workflows. All this with $50 a month in tools. That's not a side hustle. That's a full stack business run by one person. Welcome to the age of AI solopreneur. Speed of validation. AI lets you test ideas before you build anything. Here's the new model. Write a cold email with ChatGPT, build a landing page with Framer or Notion, drive traffics with ads or DMs, measure interest. If nobody signs up, kill the idea within 24 hours. If it pops, go build it. Old school startups took 6 months to validate. New school founders do it in 6 hours. The faster you test, the faster you win. AI as your co-founder. This one's wild. AI is becoming a literal co-founder. It writes, codes, designs, brainstorms, and even negotiates. Tools like AutoGPT, Cognosis, Devin, these are agents that can manage full workflows with minimal input. Imagine waking up and your AI replied to your customer emails, scheduled your content, A/B tested your landing page, closed 3 new deals. We're not far from that. You can either fight it or build with it. A human brand over a corporate brand. In a world of AI-generated content, what stands out? Humans, faces, real people. We trust people more than we trust logos. That's why creators are launching million-dollar businesses with no team. If you're building anything in 2025, build your personal brand too. Show your face. Tell your story. Build credibility. Because when people trust you, they buy faster, stay longer, and share more. AI native businesses will win. Right now, most businesses are slapping AI onto old systems, but that's like adding a rocket engine to a horse carriage. The real winners will be AI native from day one. They'll be automated, global, scalable, built with an AI in the back end, front end, and operations. These are lean, fast-moving startups that can pivot in days, not quarters. You can try to retrofit the old way, or you can build for the new one. These 8 trends are shaping the next decade of business. Some people will ignore them, some will resist them, but a few will understand them, apply them, and lead the next wave. If you want to be in that last group, now's the time to act. Double down on your skills, experiment with AI tools, build that product, because the world is changing fast. And if you get in early, you won't just keep up, you'll lead. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know which trend hit the hardest, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.